so I am having champurrado and I'm just going to mix it with milk and sugar. Finished product. I felt as though mas masarap siguro yung champurrado pag mainit, so I reheated it in the microwave. Yummy! Hey, Anika! Apparently, these are our toys, me and my brother, when we were still younger. I still remember this. Yeah! So many toys, baby! Wow! In the past, McDo was still very durable. Their toys were durable.
Happy? Happy.
So I'm watching Ann Cook's vlogs, and while I'm doing so, I have to go ahead and fix my room that I will not let you see. Look how messy that is. Super messy. At the end, if you're watching this, hi! I love your vlogs. Ayan ang beloved brushes ko that I have dried overnight. I did not put it this way because I already dried it overnight this way. Hi guys! So I'm actually driving now and I'm driving to Abriza. This is like multitasking, like you have to have like proper coordination of muscle movement. So I went to G-Mall ngayon. I'm going to Abriza because I'm going to buy buffet tickets for me and my family this Sunday. So stoplight. Nabangga si ate o si kuya. Go! Abriza compound already and about to park. So dito, hindi na to. This is not an official road already, so I could vlog. And it has been so long, I know, since I last vlogged. And if you haven't known, I mean, you don't really know, guys, because I didn't really tell you. I've been back to working in the hospital. That's why, yun, bigla na naman ako nawala na parang bula. I left you in the air, guys. It's so hot in the Philippines today, and yeah, I'm just going to Abriza to buy the buffet tickets I just told you. Here's the parking entrance. Yeah, and I actually met with a viewer today. Her name is Freline. Hi, Freline. Nice meeting you. Hope to see you in my meet and greet soon. Sayang, gusto ko pa naman tong top na to, pero it looks so big. I'm now here at Abriza. So yeah, I'm just trying out this top. Sayang time ko pa naman, pero malaki. What you think? Going out of Abriza. I just got home and I now received my package from Zalora. So yeah, it's really neatly packed in this box. And I will show you in my haul what are the contents of this. So, sneak peek lang. Hindi ko muna ipapakita sa inyo. Woot woot! I'm going to make s'mores. I have here graham crackers, those huge marshmallow, and a little bit of chocolate on top. Let's go to that. So we're now here at Big B's, and here's Pao with his new phone, iPhone. Yan, and yeah, dun yung buffet area, and it's around 5:30 p.m. in the afternoon. So today, this is Big B's anniversary, so they're going to have like a once a year buffet. So I'm going to show you around what food they have today. salad, and we have here a mixture of everything. Ito, pasta, tsunami chop, roast beef, kimi, chunky, something, baby back ribs, rakabay baby, chicken, ano ito? Pescado, and pasta. Second plate.